Hi, I'm Uncle Mark. Welcome to the channel. So you've got some kind of a vibration in your wheels. You're not really sure what it is. Maybe you just had your tires balanced not that long ago. Well, this is something to take a look at. Is it easy to do? It depends. Can you change your own tires? We'll show you what it is. Basically, you've got some debris or something inside your wheels. Take a look and see if this is your problem. So we look in the inside here. I couldn't believe how much mud was in this inside of this wheel. It's actually thicker than it looks. So this happens from driving, gravel roads. Sometimes in the wintertime too, this is a problem. So if you were to car wash, this is the inside of it. You could maybe stick the wand in between those holes, try and get some of it out. That might work, but a lot of times you have to take the wheels off, and this is what a shop will probably end up doing. I was shocked how I thought I could just brush it away. No. You're going to be amazed at how thick this is. Wow. I think I'm hitting it pretty good. Look at the wheel move. So I thought, well, okay, let's try and spray it again. Thought it'll break it down. And sure, some's coming off. But it wasn't coming off fast enough. I would have thought, it would all be off. Look how hard this is on here. And you figure how much muck is stuck in here. How heavy is this stuff versus the little weights that they put on your wheels to stop them from vibrating? Now, even though I chipped away at some of it, I would have thought, it's going to blast it all off. Doesn't look like it. So I chipped away at here for a little while. You can see how much there is here. Look at this. See the little weight in the right-hand corner? How heavy do you think that is versus all this dirt? Look at how much there is. Of course the wheel's going to shake. This is just one wheel. So anyway, I continued the process. You get the idea. If you can take your tire off, clean it up like that. At least it won't cost you anything, right? There's still more here to do, but I'm not going to bore you with all that. So anyway, here's the finished product. And you can see it's back to clean for another few miles till more gravel or dirt or something like that causes it again. There's another weight on that side. Really little compared to how much muck was in there. I'll show you before and after. It's just an idea. And maybe it can save you, going to the shop. Quite a difference. Got her done, though. I was amazed. So, as I mentioned, is it easy? Is it hard? Depends on your skill. I think you're going to have to take the wheel off to do this. It's just, you saw in the video here too, there was no way I was going to do this without taking the wheel off, even with a pressure washer. Anyway, hopefully you liked the video. Please give me the thumbs up if you like the video. Check out the channel as well. You can do that down in the corner. And we'll also give you a playlist right here to other videos that might be similar. Hopefully this has been helpful. You and your family stay safe. Bye-bye from Uncle Mark. Remember to be safe. Your safety is your responsibility and should be priority number one. Plus, please subscribe and you'll get all the notifications. It's easy. The little dog will show you how. Ring the bell. Ring the bell.